Smoke behind the only gate. Two shadows wait to seal my fate. One sees the lies, the other grace. They watch me step into this play. Red cloth tied, my vision bends. Breath grows thin as the path descends. I leave the names of the living behind. Standing now with two gates aligned. The first gate hums with ancient sound. The second floats with no true ground. They watch my steps, they read my will. No lie survives, no heart stands still. I didn't come to steal or take. I came for a soul that slipped away. Between these gates the balance sways. One wrong word and I'm turned away. Speaks with weight, that's why I cross beyond my fate. The second listen, silent cold, measuring truth, measuring soul. They don't want gold, they don't want flame. They ask if I know the spirit's name. I steady my breath, I bow my head. I walk with truth, not fear or dread. They test my past, they test my role. If I walk for pride or walk for